how to add work or home address on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add home or work address on Lyft. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add home or work address on Lyft, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually launch the Lyft application. Then once you launch the Lyft app, then tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then over here you'll see all these sorts of options, right? So you can basically go to the option called view profile, and then you'll be taken to your profile page where you have to scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see shortcuts to add home or add work. So to add a home address, just tap on the add home button and then make sure to enter the address of your home over here, or you can also simply choose to actually enter your precise location. Once you add this, I'll just select the option called save shortcut. The other thing is, let's see if I want to add a home address or a work address, I'll just select add work, and then over here I'll simply make sure to actually enter the work address that I want to enter. And then once I've done that, I'll go ahead and select it, and then I'll select this as my work address, and then I'll just tap on save shortcut over here. If I want, I can even go ahead and then delete this home or work address basically. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually add your home or work address. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.